Hello students, now we are continuing the next examples of vector exercise 5.1. Question number 3. OABCDE is a regular hexagon. The points A and B have position vectors A bar and B bar respectively. Refer to the origin O. Find in terms of A bar and B bar the position vectors of C, D and E. We find the position vectors of C, D and E. In answer, we will draw the regular hexagon. We know that the hexagon here OA, B, C, D is a regular hexagon. In regular hexagon, the length of all sides are equal and angle is 120 degree. Here given regular hexagon, first we write given the position vectors of OA. Position vector of OA is A bar and position vector of OA is A bar and B bar respectively. B bar is OB. That is O to B is B bar. It is B bar. OA is A bar. OB is B bar given. That is OA is equal to A bar and OB is equal to B bar. And we find the CD and E. CD and E means OC, OD and OE. OC. We find here OC, then OD and OE. Okay, it's OC, OD and OE or position vectors of C, D and E. OC is equal to and OD is equal to question mark and OA is equal to also question mark. It is the position vectors of C, D and E. That is C, D and E positions. In above diagram, the triangle OAB. In triangle OAB is equal to, we know that the triangle of addition, that is OA plus AB is equal to OB. OA plus AB, that is equal to OB for triangle of vector addition. We know that. Therefore, OA plus AB bar is equal to OB bar. Then put the value of OA is here A bar and OB. AB bar as it is, then value of AB bar is B bar. Therefore, AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. Then equation, we find the value of OC first. OC or C position vector. Therefore OC bar is equal to, OC bar is the twice of AB. OC bar is equal to 2AB, and AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. It is the B bar minus A bar. OC bar is equal to 2 AB bar. We know that the value of AB bar, that is B bar minus A bar, put here. Then we get 2 into B bar minus A bar is equal to 2B bar minus 2A bar. It is OC bar or position vector of C. To B bar minus 2A bar. OC. It is value 2B bar minus 2A bar. Then we find the value of OD bar. हमें क्या करना है, अब OD bar निकालना है. Therefore number second, that is OD bar. In regular hexagon triangle OCD, we know that in triangle OCD, vector OD is equal to OC plus CD. This triangle OD bar is equal to OC bar plus CD bar. We know that triangle law of addition. Triangle law of addition of two vector. Already we know that the value of OC bar and value of CD bar. CD bar is don't have any value here. Then OA is A bar. OA and CD are opposite directions. OA and CD are opposite directions. All the sides of hexagon are equal or same. We will give the value of OA is A bar. Only direction change here, that's reason value of CD is minus A bar. Then put the value of OC and CD and find the value only OD bar. Minus A bar put here. Then OD bar is equal to OC bar plus CD bar. Value of OC bar is 2B bar minus 2A bar and CD bar is minus A bar. Is equal to, we get 2B bar minus 2A bar minus A bar is equal to, we get 2B bar minus A bar of minus 2A bar minus 3A bar. That is, it is the value of OD bar is equal to position vector of D and that is equal to 2B bar minus 3A bar. OD bar is equal to 2B bar minus 3A bar. And third point is OE bar or position vector of E. OE bar or position vector of E. In triangle ODE, in triangle ODE, you know that the triangle law of addition, OE bar is equal to OD bar plus DE bar. You know that the value of OD bar is 2B bar minus 3A bar. That is value of OD bar. Position vector of D और OD bar. हमें यहाँ पे OD बार की वैल्यू पता है. DE बार की देखते क्या है. DE बार DE बार की पता नहीं है. यहाँ पे AB बार की पता है. AB बार इज इक्वल टू B बार माइनस A बार और DE बार इज अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ AB बार. AB बार के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन है तो इसकी वैल्यू आएगी माइनस B और प्लस A बार. दैट इज A बार माइनस B बार. इसकी वैल्यू है A बार माइनस B बार. एंड OD बार की वैल्यू निकाली है. OD बार इट इज द 2B बार माइनस 3A बार. तो हमें इसमें से OD और DE पता है. निकालना क्या है OE. Then put these values and we get OE bar is equal to value of OD bar is 2B bar minus 3A bar plus A bar minus B bar is equal to 2B bar minus 3A bar plus A bar minus B bar is equal to 2B bar minus B bar we get B bar minus 3A bar plus A bar we get minus 2A bar. It is the value of OE bar or position vector of E. Therefore OE bar is equal to B bar minus 2A bar or position vector of E. Okay, we will stop here.